Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know it, we got to talk about yesterday's whispers, because yesterday's whispers were smoking hot. Yesterday, I loved USO after spotting that pre-market price action. I was bullish above $14.87. Told you to watch that 15 level. She shot right above that, went all the way to about, $15.40. Fantastic. My traders in the Java Pit were rocking oil all day long. Also, loved rig. Great volume on this thing. I am obsessed with volume. Love this stock above that 1537 level, 1540. All right, and I had a 16.25 price target, and look where it went. Went right to $16.20. That was a fantastic trade. I know Kelly was rocking that in the Java Pit. Also yesterday, I love the gold stocks. I liked Nugget above 275, and you can see as soon as it broke above that, she went all the way to about $3.10. And really liked GDX yesterday. Loved it. Bullish above that 1337 level with a first target of 1350. Hit it. You can see she kept going. Now, speaking of GDX, this is one of my whispers today. We spotted, look at this big spike of volume. 16 million print yesterday. Market on close order. $13.89. I posted up on StockTwits and Twitter. So here's the trade today. All right, it's bearish right now. It's below the print. I'm going to be bearish below 1380. All right, with a 1350 target on the downside. But if she pops up above that print, above 14, then I'll be bullish up until about 1440 level. All right, so definitely keep your eye on those levels. That's huge volume. Also yesterday, I liked Rio. After those prints, remember I told you about those prints? I'm bullish above 36.88. And you can see as soon as the market opened, she broke and busted above that. Went all the way to about 37.28 level. So the traders were hot yesterday in the pit, but I'm doing my boot camp class. We did this challenge yesterday where I got my traders into their positions and they had to get out. And there was one trader that really stood out. He was fantastic, and that is Gar, aka the Bond Trader. This guy did such a phenomenal job. Great exit on the VXX, on Rio, EWZ, Bank of America, EEM, and Ford. Really great. You know, losing 3 cents on a day trade is a fantastic trade. You got to keep your risk low, and he let his winners go, and he really had a phenomenal day. So great job, Gar. All right, so what are we watching today besides GDX? Rite Aid had earnings. Let's pull that up. So spotted some prints right here in the block trade indicator, about 100,000 shares at 812. Took a little pop up. Let's see if she could hold on to that. I'm going to be bearish below 812. Definitely bearish below 8, but she could pop up to about this 840 level. That is resistance. So there's quite a few levels that I'm looking to short this. However, I will be bullish if she goes positive above 850. So those are definitely the levels to watch on that. And also Intel. Not a lot of volume today, but we spotted millions yesterday near the close at $29.71. Definitely had trouble moving up, moved down a little bit. Not quite sure what these prints are, but I have 2 trade setups. I'm going to be bullish above 29.80. If she can break above that, she could really go quickly to 30. And if she breaks down below 29.60, very bearish on that. 29.50, 29 is definitely the lower end target on that. So come watch me trade these stocks and so many more at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.